Here's a simple activity that you can do with your children during a spring theme or a butterfly. Well, here's the final product. So basically what you do is you get construction paper, white construction paper, and then you just cut out an oval out of a colored construction paper. You place it in the middle. Then you have the child stand on each side of the oval, and you trace the foot and the other foot. So when I traced it, I actually used pencil, and then I just went over it with permanent marker. And then once the feet are on each side, they create the wings, and then depending on the developmental age of the child, you can either have them color it in, or this child used these dot art markers and then just color it in however they please. Or if the child is a little bit older and willingly, you can use pieces of tissue paper and just have them scrunch it up and fill it in that way. And that's one way to make this slightly more advanced for the older children. Okay, well, I hope this little art activity helps you plan out your butterfly theme or spring. Okay, see you soon. Bye.